Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to the ninth class of Microsoft PowerPoint for Beginners. In this class, we are all going to learn about some of the basic options that are present inside Review tab. So without any further ado, let's get started. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn some of the options that I have already taught you in Microsoft Word or maybe Excel, but let's try to use these. We've got the first option, which is known as spelling option. Well, let's try to commit spelling mistake over there deliberately. Like I have typed teaching word, but there is a sort of spelling mistake inside that, means I is missing inside that. So the moment I click on the spelling option there, that will be detecting the word that is misspelled. See, you can sound it,
teaching,
see, and you can even change all, you can change that, you can even ignore or ignore all, or maybe add that. So if you are committing spelling mistake anywhere, you must be editing that or you must be changing that all. So make sure to click on this in order this to be changing. So that is what is used for the same option. And there is another option which is known as research. This time it is not working. Make sure to go and check Treasure English United States, and that will be bringing the meaning of that and some sort of synonym inside that. So that is what is you can benefit. Go for treasures. This is something the same which I have taught you, almost the same. And there is another option, translate. There is another option which is known as translate. This is something that is related to language that must be installed before this is used. Make sure to click on this new comment. This is some sort of option that if you want to comment on any of the word, line, paragraph, you can use that. See, this is working something like that. You can be commenting on the words or maybe on paragraphs, and you must be having small sort of box there which may represent sort of message or sort of comment for you. Previous, next, previous, next, 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 previous, next, previous, next, previous, show comments, and here is another option, delete. If you want to delete single message or single comment, you must be clicking on this, and if you want to delete all of the comments, you must be using this option. And let's try to go for View tab, in which there are some of the important options inside that. Outline view, that may be giving you different sort of views like slide sorter, notes page, reading mode. If you want to get rid of that, press K button. Outline, slide sorter, notes page, slide master, handout master, notes master, ruler, grid lines, guides, and direction left to right or right to left. See, and this is something that must be related to zooming in or zooming out. Fit to window. Grayscale means so much simple, black and white. New window, you can make new window there, like I must be showing to you. Arrange all, cassette, and this is something that are related to window. So that is what is all about today's tutorial. These are some of the options which I must have taught you in MS Word or Excel. Some sort of related options I have taught you today. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.